We want to know just how much abuse this camera can take. Your mother is made out of aluminum. You're going to the recycling plant. We know you double dipped that potato chip. Liar! No means no. You can't handle the truth. You identify as what? Well, there you have it. This camera can take a ton of abuse. Hold on. Don't click out. Now let's start the real test. That was just for fun. So we're gonna take our Vandal dome. We're gonna go up to the top of the roof. We're gonna drop it down onto concrete, and then we're gonna drop it in a bucket of water. So let's see what happens. Now let's get on to the water test. Bucket's half full of water. Here we go. One more test. Okay, there we go. Extreme heat damage. So hot, started to melt the housing, cracked the lens, but we're still getting video. These cameras really have no limit. They're really hard to break. 5-year warranty. You want to win a $1,200 security camera system? All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll instantly be entered to win. The lucky YouTube subscriber will be chosen at the end of the month. So smash that subscribe button.